Hello everyone. Today let's discuss why animals' intelligent behaviors. To survive, they are very clever in three ways. First, they are smart at finding food. Some animals use tools. For example, some birds use small sticks to get insects out of trees. Octopus can even open jars just to get the food inside. They use this brain to get a good meal. Secondly, animals are very good at hiding to stay safe. Many animals change the color to match the environment. For example, the chameleon can become green on a leaf or brown on a branch because they hide so well, the enemies cannot find them. Finally, animals are great at working together. They know that a team is stronger than one. For example, wolves hunt in a group to catch big animals. Even tiny ants work together to build bridges with the parties. They help each other every day. In conclusion, wild animals are not just living by instinct. They think, they learn, and they cooperate. Nature is full of smart surprise. Thanks for your listening.